out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow.
Yo, good morning, guys. Well, what is this game? I'm very late to this session here, but let's get straight into it. Let me put yes on the left side here. Good morning, guys. Anybody in the stream?
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm a fool while you're
Let's
breaking
go in the garbage over here for a second.
dangerous path that I follow.
Still short of this low here. Okay, we got the engineer sell side on the weekly low.
Just do what you do.
Let me lower the music a little bit. So we're still short of this daily low on NQ. So technically we still have engineer sell side on NQ. It's an SMT with ES. Okay, just keeping that in mind. But an SMT doesn't mean anything as long as the order flow remains bearish. So I'm gonna have an engineer sell side like that. Need to now open here. Okay. Going SMT here. Hello, bro. Welcome to the streams, man. We got engineered sell side up here, engineered buy side as well, because it's right below this N hook here. Okay. So ideally, we want to see this 1 hour candle closing above this end hook, and then we can take a clean buy up here, up to this CPI high, devil's mark. If you remember CPI delivery, we left this high here, which is a devil's mark as well. It's a potential target for the weekly candle first, and then we can see the reversal coming lower towards the engineered sell side. So we got here engineer sell side liquidity. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I don't like the closures here below endog and then below the NOG. It's not giving you this tension point scenario up higher in the 15-minute. A dip lower and then SMT would be nice as well. Let's put 8s on this gap here. Let's go to regular trading hours here. Oh, we still got a big regular trading hours gap below us, guys. Okay, just keeping that in mind. Okay. I want to see how they will use this RTH gap levels and this endog, this RTH gap as well here. Make this quadrants only. Now make it purple. Okay, that's perfect now. So we got a big RTH gap below us. Once we clear this high here, this will be a beautiful short lower, guys. Let's open the indicator here. Let's mark the quadrants. So overall, I'm bearish on the day. My bias is looking lower. I'm looking for sell side. But first, we need to sweep this high. This high that's resting up here below this endog. And probably create an SMT or sweep the CPI high and then give us this beautiful trade. I think there's an RTH gap right below CPI high as well. Or am I wrong? Yeah. No, I'm wrong. Okay. Either ways, I'm looking for CPI high here to be swept. And then probably we can take a very nice sell. Or this high to be swept. So I'm looking for buys now until these objectives are met for the week, and then we can take sells lower. Because I wouldn't like sells while having this high right below this endog here. Engineered buy side above us. Here we came back to discount and swept sell side. I would expect a continuation higher, but this price action is very bad, guys. It's very horrible here. Not liking it, so I'll just wait. This is the scenario we're looking for today. Sweep this high. After we sweep this high, I want to see price come back lower all the way down here towards this low and fill this inefficiency and the RTH gap, and possibly towards the engineer sell side. That's what we want. Let's see if these hourly closures confirm our direction as well today. Was this candle closing above the endog here, or this endog, which they already did? If they close above the endog, that will give us confidence to long towards this high or CPI high. Once more, I'm just repeating myself just to make sure you get it. Right now, this macro would be, I'll be looking for buys. but I think it's either a pulling macro or no trade, so I wouldn't be taking it. I'll just wait. I'll wait for the next macro. I don't really care if I miss a trade. There's always trades, okay? If you miss a trade, it's no big deal. We're just starting the week. There's no need to rush in at all, okay? We're just starting the week, so you gotta just be patient. Let the model play out. Yeah, not only the hourly close price when you're taking a setup here. And the thing is, look at this price action, man. How are you gonna take a trade here? You know, there's no like clean macro PF3 setup like the ones I showed you. You know, for example, we're on high, we reject, we give the smart money reversal. No, it's just, you see this price action here? It's so sticky. When it's so sticky like that, you just wait. Waiting is the best option on the board here. Best play on the board. But this high has to go, man. This high has to go. Yeah. Once we take this high, maybe it will give us a setup here from this endog or one of these first presentations. And we get a nice short. Okay. Or we will take CPI high and then give us a setup from up there. Both of them will be nice. Okay. Let's take a look at hard time frame equilibrium now. Since we're retracing to discount, let's take a look at hard time frame equilibrium. Where are we in the dealing range? Okay. So that's your dealing range here. High swept, low. We are already in premium. Okay, in the refined dealing range. And this is your big dealing range here. Once you get close up here in the CPI high, above here, above the CPI high a bit, I would require the price to come up all the way up to this level. Okay, I'll just keep it on the chart for us. But right now we know that we are on equilibrium. It's a hard time frame equilibrium. Time frame here. Look at the reaction here from premium. So we're already in premium here on hard time frame, so that's why I'm looking for shorts as well. I would love to see price sweeping liquidity and creating more engineered buy side liquidity for buying. Yeah, I agree with that, Duprius, but yeah, you're correct. It's not the cleanest setup. Look at the price action here, man. You're stuck between these gaps. The price action is sticky between these RTH gaps as well. It's being held here. When the price is being held between levels, don't force a trade. Okay. ES created relative equal highs. Let me see that. Where are Dobris? I don't see them. I don't see them. Tell me the high time. I don't see it. In 1653. Yeah, but you know, you're correct, but it's not really significant in this delivery. But you're correct. It's not like a swing high, you know what I mean? It's just in this consolidation here. So all of this is just a mess here. Don't try to force a trade here. No trades at all. Macro inversion here. But it's in a mess, so don't try to force a trade. Wait 10 AM opening here. Okay, the press. Just wait. Waiting is what makes you profitable in these markets. Not executing more trades. You can take one trade a week and you're profitable. You don't need to take a million trades. Just take the trade you're sure of. So just wait, okay? This trade here isn't what we want. Ethereum opening in 1 minute here. Beautiful for our closure for the loans as well. Let's take close all this inward. It's actually not really good because since it went into premium here, it rejected from premium. So I would expect the next candle to open high, sweep this high, and then offer shorts. That's what I expect from this 10 AM candle now. Opening higher, sweep this high, tap the end dog, and then give us shorts. That would be clean.
How long do I gotta keep you?
By the way, the Brits, you can't take trades along here when there's a roadblock right in front of you, like this end dog here. This is a no-go as well. I forgot to tell you about that. Okay, let's look at gold here. Is it pulling back? Oh, the target is met. Target's met on gold, man. If we close below the CB as well, I'd expect a continuation once more. Where's CEO? Mr. Silver, you haven't hit your target here. Yeah, gold and silver meltable. Close below. No, it ain't. I wanted to see a closure below 50% of this wick. Continue low from this wick here. GX pumping. Where's oil? There we go. Oil is melting from our POI here. I'm gonna see a continuation higher on oil here. I'm just busy. That would make sense. No trades to be taken here, dopers, okay? You have a sticky price action inside NWOGs, inside new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps. You are inside RTH gaps, there's sticky price action. You have a lot of roadblocks in front of you towards the drawn liquidity. As well, you can see the volume in these candles is just a consolidation here at this point, or high resistance liquidity run, which we only want to be part of the low resistance liquidity run trades, not the high resistance liquidity run trades. You can see every time they sweep a high, they pull back lower too much. Maybe they'll continue higher, but it's a sticky price action. It's high resistance liquidity run, you know? It's not straight up. So we just gotta wait. Maybe 1050 can offer us a nice setup here. That's why I'm looking at different markets here. PTC. Let's look at PEC. Man, PTC is melting. I think it's gonna melt as well. Closure below this weekly SIB here. Looks like the container over still. You have a monthly inversion here as well. PTC. Dubbers, look at this sticky price action. Do you see why we avoided this? Why we avoided this 950 macro? Yep. And the sticky price action, it's not just the roadblocks. Look at the price action. You can see it with your eyes. Look at the candles here. Look. What are you seeing since 9:30 open? It's high resistance liquidity run. Why would you risk money here? There's no need to risk money here, bro. Roadblocks in front of you, roadblocks below you. You have high resistance liquidity run. You have unclear higher time frame direction. Hourly is rejecting from premium and 4 hour, but they are closing above NWOG here and below this NDOG, so you're basically stuck here. You know? Why would you risk money on this setup here? There's no need. You only risk when it's super clear. That's when you risk money. Waiting here. No setups here, guys. In this range, I'm not taking any trades in this range here. It's a sticky price action, and I will still be looking for a continuation trade higher up here. Anybody wants to play chess here? Yes, I'm just like it. Anybody who play chess? Okay, I guess no. Let's start along here. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Sorry. Okay, I'll leave this game. Let's go. Give me your name. Give me your. Okay, give me your username. Okay, I sent you a challenge. Let's go. New store. Okay, nice. One flow. Need to push some tags here. I'll try to take the lead early in the game here.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
That's a nice game. Good morning, bro. I think 10 minutes. Okay. Let's see, bro. Good morning, brother. How are you doing, Shimon? Okay, that's a nice one. That's a very nice one. How are you doing, Tam? I'm very good, alhamdulillah. That's a nice one. You get this route, bro. Oh, how didn't I see this? Oh my god, I need to do something, man. It's either I lose the queen or you take the rook. Bro, come on. Why did he leave the rook here? Yeah, nice, Tamu. We haven't done anything much in the stream. I've just been chilling. There's no trades we've taken. And very nice Shimami as well. Well done, brother. What trades did you take, Shimami? Two shorts? Whoa, very nice, man. I almost took as well trades at Asia. To be honest, Asia was so clean, man. I almost took 2 trades on Asia as well. I wanted to take a buy, and I wanted to take a short, I believe, in the beginning. Yeah, 820, yeah, something like that. In a 750 macro, I want to take a short. Okay, like this. So you're going for. I need to play. There's no time. Okay. Okay. Just, no. The problem is time here. I'm losing on time. Oh my god, this is a mistake. Lost short. I will look at them right now. I'll look at them. Bro, I was looking at the long in Asia. I was so like, I was gonna take it, but I was like, no, I don't trade Asia. I held myself back. To be honest, I would have broke my rules if I took it. But I was so clean, man. I almost took the trade. Almost took it. Nice. Yeah, I should have paper traded it. You're correct, bro. Yeah. It was so tempting for me to take, I almost took it. Yeah, you're correct, bro. I should have taken it maybe half risk, you know? Half risk wouldn't have hurt the account. Half risk would have been nice. I just lost another rook here. Okay, no worries. Never mind. Yeah, you're correct, bro. I've actually found that as well. Asia is so clean compared to New York. Yeah, I need to look in here. This guy's pushing hard on me. I need to chill flow. Just playing a game, man. Okay, I think I'm losing here. Need to do something. Let's ask for screen. Wait, I'm losing. Time is killing me because I was looking at the chat, bro. I was looking at the chat most of the time. That's why. Nice. GG's, bro. I couldn't think about this checkmate as well. Where do you want to? Oh, we'll play 10 minutes next game, bro. We need to play a game. Flow. You're very good. Where do you want to is price? Okay, so we're looking at this high. Here, engineer below this endog and CPI high. CPI also has no wick. Look at this, guys. CPI high has no wick. So most likely they will go up to CPI high or this high and then offer shorts. That's what I'm looking for. Both of them are in premium, but if we go up here in CPI high, I would like to tap this daily range as well. This big range. The EQ is right above CPI high, so I would love to tap it as well before melting low. So either ways, it's either a short from here, or a short from here, or a long from here, up to this side, or to this side. You get my point, guys? We'll play another game, man. But let's look at the trades that Shumami took, and I'll show him my trades, and then the trade I almost took as well. Give me a second, guys. Just got this call. My mother's calling. I'll answer the call right away, and I'll call you back, guys. 1 sec. I'll be here. 1 sec.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Okay, guys, we're back. Flo, don't go away, man. We'll play another game, bro. Okay. Let me take a screenshot here of the participants in chat. Just have to keep this as memories, because I believe we will hit 1,000 viewers by the end of the year. So gotta make sure you guys get special treatment in the Discord. Also make one. Okay, so I saw this big opening here, Shumami, as we all saw it, and I saw this relative equal highs. To be honest, I didn't look at Asia here. I only saw this potential 750, but I avoided as well. I was looking at the charts here, pre-macro here, and I was like, maybe we can go up back all the way up to these relative equal highs, and all I wanted was a 1-to-1. So when I saw this macro opening lower, sweeping liquidity, I really wanted to take this short here from this inversion. This long from this inversion here. Right there, bro. Disclosure. Yeah. This is the trade I wanted to take, and it hit TP perfectly here. It was very clean, man. Which ones you took? But it's annoying that they didn't take this relative equal highs. They only took it in New York, okay. London as well had relative equal highs. What was that? 650? And the lower days made it classic by day here. Which trades did you take, Shuman? Is that long? This one? Whoa, bro. We would have been in the same trade. Ah, that's crazy. I wish I took it. Look at the shorts. Which ones? These shorts or these shorts? Which shorts, brother? Red purple gap that we tapped into what CEO trying to understand what you're saying. 820-ish. This one here? This short? Let's put quadrants here and look what you're saying here. Oh, did they kick us out? Oh, I see, bro. That's crazy. Look at this daily wick low here. Oh my god, that's crazy. And this one as well. Yeah, bro. There's a level going through that. Yeah, it was very clean, man. Love the setup and love the setup as well. Asia was clean, bro. Just giving wins. Congratulations, man. Sadly, I didn't engage there. But I was trying to follow my rules, so nothing's wrong. Look at 115. Whoa, I see you, bro. Whoa. This one here. Yeah, you got a low engineered above Asia low. You got a dealing range here. Let's put our Fibonacci here. You're on premium, okay. You're on higher, macro opens high. Gives you an inversion here. Oh my god, that's clean, bro. Towards midnight FG and towards your engineering salsa. Bro, I think that's the cleanest setup of the week. The week even I haven't started, but this setup was so clean. Okay. Whoa, very nice continuation setup there. A+. I mean, if you manage to catch these setups, just A+ continuation setups like that during the whole day, that's all you need, bro. You don't need to keep playing with all of this bullshit here. Yeah, bro. Yo, bro, let's play a game. Are you available? Flow? Yeah, dude, I was in the flow state last night. That's perfect, man. Love it when you're in the flow state. When I'm in the flow state, I love this feeling, man. Like, just go on a winning streak. And, let me just take a story here for Instagram. I'm trying to be more active on Instagram. I've been trying to post our clips. I've made a few clips and trying to get viewers in as well. Wait, let me take a noise. Okay, let's play now. How do I? Yeah, of course you can. Of course you want to go for it. I think if we take out today, high of day, any shorts is so risky, in my opinion. This high of day could be correct, because Monday has pushed up a lot already. There's less potential that it will reverse, because you wouldn't do it all in one day, you know. I agree with you, bro, 100%. But we'll just play the probabilities. When we see a trade, we'll play it. Okay, they're changing the opening here. I'm playing the same opening here. Hello, what's up? What's up, bro? How you doing, massive red fan, bro? My Eid was very nice, man. Alhamdulillah. Spent it in home, to be honest. I was sleeping most of the time. It was very nice. How was yours, bro? I need to get my pieces going here. Alhamdulillah. You're very nice with the openings. Flow, I'm not gonna lie. You have some good openings, I like that. I'm not the best with the openings, but I try to play. Okay, how can we counter this here? He takes, I think. Yeah, eating too much food. Typical Eid, bro. I'll just go here. If he goes here, ask for my work. Yeah, too much food, bro. Okay, nice. There we go. Okay, I need to start pushing here. Don't have weak bones yet. Maybe there's one. No, no weak bones. Oh no, come on, bro. Okay, I think I'm sleeping. I need to focus. How did I lose this queen? Oh, I had the lead in this game, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, you're so good, Flo. You're trapping me. Yeah, I think you just won here. You won the game, man. GG's, GG's. GG's. GG's, bro. Yeah, I played too quick, maybe. That's it. But you're very good, bro. GG's. One of the toughest opponents I had so far on the stream. Whoa, oh my god. I should have didn't move the screen here. This horse was a mistake in the beginning because I saw about this and I saw this bonus. I shouldn't have played here. Should have moved horse. Probably should have moved this one. This one. Okay, that was a tough game. Nice, GG's, bro. We got 10 minutes left in the macro. 15 minutes. Anybody wants to play a last game? 5-minute game. We got a 5-minute game, guys. Nice, Lo. This is amazing, brother. You're actually very good. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're one of the best players I've played against so far. You're very, very good. Not even kidding. You're very good. Do you wanna play a 5-minute game? Let's get a 5-minute game. Last one. For the macro. Okay, let's go, Shumani. Let's go. I'll send you. I'll play against Shumami because he hasn't played. I'll play against you later, bro. I need to train, bro. You're so good, man. Shumami, can you send me your username once more? Because I can't find it. Now I'll play against Shumami Flip and we'll play next game together. Sure, bro. I like it, bro. Wait a second. Yeah, that wasn't the best move, bro. I didn't even realize it here. I had the ability to take like your queen all day, and I didn't even see it come. That wasn't me, to be honest. Yeah, he tried to push me hard, man. Okay, bro. I'm just talking to my browser. I'm sorry, guys. GG's, bro. GG's. That was a real nice game, man. Yeah, the blunder got so like. When it is blunder, bro, I didn't even realize it in the beginning. I didn't even see like the queen, and then I won, bro. Every time I win against you, it's like a blunder from your side. But you're a very good player, man. Maybe you just need to review your games and look at where do you make these mistakes. But guys, look at this sticky price action. Oh my god. But just like that, we left this high up here. Now we have something to work with. This relative equalizer. This high and this high, right below this engineer price side. I would love to see this dealing range get in action. And then see a continuation higher. Let's see 15 minutes here. Only have a wick. We got a 5-minute base here. 5 minutes still in the open, so it would be nice if it rejects and it closes up inside this busy. This will confirm this bullish order flow that we need. So confirming bullish order flow in the 5-minute here, and then closures above end dog, reclaim, then take it to these highs and these highs. That would be very nice for 1050 macro. Look at this reaction. I just needed to come back to this count here. There's a refined dealing ranges here, but it's still like it's so close to EQ and it's still very close, very late to the macro. Like still 3 minutes left, so turning to the discount will be very nice. 1 second. I'll bring something quickly.
We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We went looking
Small
for a
video.
new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found.
Instagram. I'm waiting here patiently for this setup. Macro open here. Very nice macro open low. When we're looking for a buy, there's a very nice signature, guys. Signature and price. Got this 4-hour inversion here as well. 1-hour inversion here.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out tonight. We
Didn't drink water earlier. Forgot about that. Oh. We're waiting here, guys. No need to rush any trade. The trade will come to us, just wait. It's a sticky range once more. 1050 is giving a hard time. Once more, guys. It's very difficult. I'm uploading this story here. There are typical lows here. I'd love NQ to sweep this low first. Then we can probably get trade, but so far no trades in today. It's a very messy day, very choppy. Very terrible, whatever. She's pumping. She's pumping to our targets. Left our typical lows down here. Took out the devil's mark already. And we're running towards the relative equal highs up here. No trades in this 1050 macro. I'm just waiting here. Yeah, let's see. But I don't know, man. Shorting to relative equal lows here is relative equal highs above. There's a bullish bias that I have. I don't really know, bro. It could be a short, but I'm not a big fan of it. You know, I'm just gonna wait here patiently for a long. But damn, I wanted these lows to be taken before taking the long as well. These lows. It's a very tough day. It's like a leg day. To be honest, the only fun thing was playing chess with you guys. Thank you, Flo, and thank you so much, Tsunami. It's great. Just gotta wait here, man. I can't force a trade, guys. Just gotta wait. Let me see if my brother made me a sandwich. I'm so hungry. Yeah, I wanted to see these lows get taken out. Yeah, me too, bro. I'm not gonna take a trade until they're gone as well, to be honest. Maybe 1150 here. But we'll wait for 1050 until they take out these lows. One sec.
Open eye, feel the waves come.
Okay. Okay, nothing happening here, guys. We're just waiting. They're messing with us, man. But our superpowers in these charts is just to wait. Master these in-betweens. In between your setups. That's what makes you profitable in these markets. Just mastering the in-betweens here. This is all just a mess until your setup shows up, and then you can take beautiful setup. Whether it's a long or short, but it's your model. You just gotta wait all of this mess to end. This is where you blow accounts, this is where you make mistakes. Let's put on... I wanted to ask ChatGPT why is there a stream delay, because I don't know why is there a stream delay. No stream delay? Okay, no instance. Okay. Yeah, I was asking ChatGPT, he said your stream delay is normal as well. I was like, what? Thank you guys. Thank you for confirming that. I thought there's a big delay, but thank you. Okay. No setups, guys. I know this is boring. I know you feel like you want to take a setup, but trust me, guys, waiting is a superpower. Waiting for the right setup, waiting for the right move, always waiting is what makes you profitable in these markets. Taking 10 trades and only winning 3 of them or 4 of them and still being profitable, it's not very sustainable long term. One day you'll blow up, you will tilt, you'll blow your account, take wrong trades, take a trade here, take a trade here, take a trade here. I don't like this type of trading. I would like to be a sniper more than a machine gun. Give me a second. Okay guys, I will go eat and I'll be back after this mess ends here. If I see something, I'll be back on the stream. I'll just go eat quickly, okay? Because I really need to go eat. I'll be back.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running. my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low.
Got coffee here. See guys, this is sticker price action as I told you. It's not running to the real typical highs we wanted. Still having a hard time there. Once we sweep these lows during 1150 macro, I'll take a very nice long here. That's what I'm looking at here. To be clean. Patience will pay, guys. Let's wait. We can play a game of chess if anybody wants. While we wait. I'm waiting for you guys. If you want to play chess, we can go for it.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see.
Flo, you wanna play a 5-minute game?
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground,
Okay, I think the one is here, so I'll just play again.
gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Eight. Okay, come on, man. We're winning the game here. So skip.
When you want to get off the
Let's calculate this. So if I move my bishop here,
straight down.
8.
Earth from a bird's eye view.
Yeah, I can probably get out to some material here.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Maybe I should eat with the bishop here. And then I can take his queen. Okay, the lows are taken. So then I can pressure his queen. Yeah. Oh, I didn't calculate this move. Okay, I lose mat here. Material. It's all good, it's all good. Lost the pawn there. Because I didn't see the horse moving there. Horse moving to this square there. It's all good. We can do the long castle here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think he just ate my queen. I'm gonna pressure him. Start pushing my pieces. I'm getting tempo while he's just checking me. It's no big deal. Because he's checking me, but I'm spreading my pieces other way, so I need to castle. Why is bishop protecting my queen here? Did the long castle here. melting. Okay, we're to equilibrium now. Still, we have 13 minutes left till the macro, so no big deal. So I'll move this here. I can check him here. Oh, we got this bishop. Then we get this bishop. Take things on. Okay, I need to eat this bishop here now. This is a checkmate here. I'll go with my attacks. I don't really care what he's doing. I'll just go with my attack. I feel like I'm winning here, so let's just push it. I feel like I won the game here because now I can just. Okay, perfect. Now we can just move here. He will move his queen. Queen eats queen. Then there. Okay. Need to get rid of this. Now I win the game. Now I got a very nice checkmate here. Okay. Maybe once this is just gone. I want him to check me and take my queen. Because now if he checks me, I'll move my king, he'll take my queen. He'll mess up with my attack. Okay, checkmate. Move your queen. So checkmate, I won the game here, I think. Yeah, I think I won the game. Unless he moves the king, yeah, there we go. Now we can take this. Now move the king here. Now we can take this here. Just cleaning up the board. By the way, so we won the game. Nice game. There we go. We're down to equilibrium now. Let's focus on the charts. Whoa, look at these candles closing below the end of. That's not a very good sign for longs. It's actually a terrible sign for longs when you see candles just closing below the end of like that. It's a very, very terrible sign. Longs. I'm very bullish here, guys, but the problem is this early closures I don't really like. Let's pay attention to SMT here. We got an hourly SMT here. SMT. Yeah, you see, waiting give us clarity a little bit more. Just gotta be careful though, Chris, because if we see a very strong change in state of delivery here on the hourly, like a closure below this NWOG, we are looking for shorts. I'm not looking at this relative equal highs anymore, because there's closure below this NDOGs, closure below this NWOGs, and we got this open CB, open BC here, along with this open RTH gap below us. Don't forget this, okay? Open RTH gap here. So they might be actually rolling over at this point. So we just gotta be careful. What we're gonna wait for is this hourly closure, most important, or a strong reaction from the macro to the upside. Will take long with an SMT on the low. So that's what we're looking for now. We're still bullish until they flip this hourly closure or give us a strong bearish direction. We need an SMT on the low as well. That would be very nice. I wanna push this early candle a bit. Let's track for a while. Very nice. World is pushing low. SMT is about to go now. Okay, the SMT is gone, I believe. Now the closures here are very important at the NOG. See how they close. It's very important for me. He's pushing lower, guys. Might be this scenario for shorts. I told you about. Oh, we're gonna wait. Thank you, Shmobi. How you doing, brother? I miss you, man. Oh. Long time no see, bro. Okay. Let's hide the previous macros now. Maybe we can start having less noise on the charts. Created a nice SMT here as well. It's this 15-minute opening lower. Let's book quadrants. Yeah, it's okay. This might be a spooling macro here. Gonna wait. I'll not take a spooling macro. We're gonna wait. Because you know spooling macros have their own risks. Getting manipulated, so. Go over those quadrants again. Yeah, we'll get this 2-minute inversion as well by the time we get our inversion, which is very nice. 5 minutes still closed inside this NWOG. There's still potential longs here, guys. If we get manipulation and then a clear distribution higher, this will be an A+ setup still for me. Yo, what's up, Jermaine? Yeah, that's 11. What were you saying? 11:30. This short here. Yeah, it was very nice with the SMT you mentioned. I'm not gonna lie, but it's not it's not my model, so I have to wait. But it was a very nice setup indeed, yeah. Delivered for sure. Okay, there we go. Set the low there. Market is melting, guys. Opening range low swept here and SMT in the opening range low. As I said, there could be this potential here going for this RTH gap. We gotta put the quadrants on now. Or move these quadrants. put on open 16. Could be this scenario that they're going for the RTH gap fill with this hourly closures here below this end log. So if this hourly closes below this end log as well, it's a very nice short to fill this RTH gap. That's what I would be waiting for during 12 AM. But right now, I'll still be looking for a long with this SMT now. Opening range low SMT. I wanna see a long here for long price. But ideally you want to see it above the NWOG after the NWOG reclaim. It's just a very tough day, guys. Very tough day. No gonna lie, guys. Got some lights on. Where's today's first presentation? Because the indicator has messed up today. Okay, this is today's first presentation, by the way. Yeah, is it the first one? Yeah. If you can also include that. Close. Open. That's today's first presentation, by the way, right there. And we can delete this. Indicator has messed up today. Yeah, it's trash. This is the only fair value gap we got at 9.49, bro. And 9.52. Both of them are nice, you could use any of them. Still said that. Okay, 5-minute closure below the NWOG. Looks like we're gonna close below the NWOG here in the hourly candle. If we actually do, guys, I will be shifting my bias to short, okay? I'll be shifting my bias to fill this RTH gap and go lower here to the NWOG. That's what I've been looking for. Seeing this NWOG here is still missing sell side. This NWOG has only had buy side delivery. So NWOGs are balanced only with sell side and buy side. So this portion of this NWOG is balanced, but this NWOG here is not. This this portion of this NWOG only had buy side delivery, so it's missing sell side. So we could expect the price to come back to NWOG high here, right there. We have a devil's mark here as well. Can keep that on the chart, guys. Open and low. Okay, never mind. It's not devil's mark. Never mind. But we're bearish either ways right now. I'll delete this SMT now. Start looking for bearish dealing ranges. There's this one here. Yeah, this might be the high of week, bro. This might be it. But this relative equal highs, you know, we could be wrong, Shimami, bro. Because these relative equal highs, Shimami, they have to go one day, man. So we could be wrong as well. Let's check for SMT here. Let's check these dealing ranges quickly. SMT, which is a better dealing range to use, etc. ES got relative equal lows now with opening range low, which is very nice. Okay, I don't see it in SMT. Okay, but another dealing range up here. So we got two dealing ranges now. The refined one and another refined dealing range. This is the ultimate dealing range, but we'll be looking at them for continuation trade lower towards this sell side. Towards this annual here. We need 11 to open high, guys. 11 open high. Give us this short. Then continue low. Now let's track the hourly opening. Really? News? Let's check that out, bro.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith.
Yeah.
We can't live this way.
Yeah, it's the Iran news coming up. Nice one to mention, Flo. Iran's parliament speaker, no negotiations have been held with the US. It's all bearish for the stock market either way, so. Because there's a war going on in the US.
Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay.
Guys, we got relative equal lows now. Look at this. That's very nice. 11 open high. We get a very clean short. Let's prepare for this short, guys. I got a very nice potential short here. Open high. EQ. First presentation of the previous day. Give us this short. RTHCE here is very nice, and the annual glow. Annual go high as well. By having clean relative equal lows here, it allows me to go short. So there we go. Oh, come on, NQ, give us a setup, please. I've been waiting all day, man.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day.
You got a 15-minute wick here, you can put quadrants on. Let's check the hour. Also the hourly here. Yes. Put quadrants, guys.
Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all
I wanna use this 15 minutes instead.
the me
Yeah, equal lows on yes. Nice one, Bruce. No, yes, already swept opening range low. It was equal a minute ago, but that's a good sign. You know why? Because we had opening range low SMT. Now that they have broken the SMT, it's telling you that they want to go lower. This is something I always read in price. When they break an SMT, it's confirming the direction you're aiming for. Let's cut the music now. Music is off. Let's focus on the trade. Let's remove this text here. I'm gonna make the charts clean as possible here. 808. Okay, I'll check it. The press. Oh, nice one, Dobris. Yeah, you're correct. I'm gonna put macro text here. Where's macro? Okay, let's see. Clean rejection from this level. We are short. Give us a macro power 3, man. This is a pulling macro. As we've expected, this potential is pulling macro lower or continuation higher. Give us a scenario going lower with this hourly closing below the NMOG. And you got this bearish price action, got relatively cool lows in action now. What you gotta wait for is premium. Once you tap premium, you look for shorts. Okay. If it doesn't give us a setup in premium, we don't want to trade it. We got also that 11 a.m. PO3 we're trading now. It should be an open high, then reverse lower. With these closures below NDOGs and below NMOG here. That's how it should be, guys. But it looks like it's not coming back to premium. Let's just wait here. Patience will always win, guys. And might give us setup, might not. It's okay. It's all good. Let's wait. Tired, guys. This first action is so sloppy. It's so sticky as well. Demanding a lot of patience from us. Today is a perfect day to work on your patience, respect your rules, and show yourselves that you're capable of doing that. That's how you make money in these markets. They say Trump has made an agreement with Iran. That's why I think gold, like, you see, shorts always comes first. So the shorts have been melting and dropping on gold, and then they drop the justification of that, which is the stop of the war. Probably Ukraine war will stop as well, and it will take gold all the way lower, back to its original levels here. Maybe, or we'll see something like that, because it's just crazy. Like when you see it on the charts here, inversion, and then like I don't know, but sometimes you feel like these charts actually move before the news, like way before the news comes out. Okay, there we go. He's about to get tapped. There we go, guys. There we go. Premium. Premium 11 open high, closure below the analog. Spooling macro here. Continuation setup towards relative equal lows. To be a nice short, guys, here. Let's look at this inversion here. Macro inversion. Okay, I'm keeping this in charts. Come on, Enki. We are in this 15-minute wick and 5-minute SIBI here. Delivering to relative equal lows. This should be a nice setup. Let's calculate risk on this setup. 40 points, okay, I know. 40 points. Not bad, not bad. There we go. We're getting ready to short here, guys. We got everything checked, super clear draw, order flow supporting the idea. We're in premium of the dealing range, okay? We got everything checked. This should be a quick 1-to-1. Waiting on the closure here. Once you get the inversion, you can short. Just wait patiently because they can take out the high once more. And just wait patiently, guys. I've waited all day, don't mess it up now. Don't try to force a trade now. If they give it to us, they give it to us. If they don't, they don't. Just wait. Waiting for the inversion is what makes this model profitable. So there's no need to rush in here when you know the stats are on your side by waiting, basically. Let's go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Market is pumping higher. That's why we have to wait. Macro probability inversion now. It's looking very good. And got 50 points stop here. Low risk. Adjust the risk probably, guys. Yep, exactly, Dorpris. Now it's a high probability inversion because this has been used to take out this high. Now we wait for it to inverse and then we get a very nice short. Let's put on these quadrants once more, double check it. Here, okay. I've tapped the 50% here of this 15-minute wick. We got 7 minutes left till to execute. If by 12:20 we don't get set up, we don't get set up. Okay, guys. We're waiting. Let's get it, chat. Okay. Is it gonna push lower? You can see also they're respecting the CE of this first presentation, which is very, very nice and premium here. Really like to see that. Very sticky consolidation here pre-entry. But order flow is still agreeing with us. You're rejecting from this 5-minute SIBI here and this wicks to the left side. Volume imbalance here, it's got tabbed. You see rejection. So we're still bearish overall. The setup is still valid. Consolidation doesn't mean that it's invalid. We got this changing state of delivery here with this order block, but I'm waiting the inversion. You got an order block here, should be respected, should deliver lower. Let's wait the high probability inversion here, guys. Oh, close, open, okay, there's no volume imbalance here. Okay, we're waiting. No setup. No entry yet. Just wait here, guys. There we go. Give me the entry, man. No entries yet, guys. Okay, 20 seconds. Protein. There she goes. We're in. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm in this setup here. Okay guys, we just took shorts here with this macro inversion. Let's see how it plays out. I'm in this trade. My execution wasn't ideal, it was at Po3. We're holding this setup, guys. We're in this trade here. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. Let's make sure this is recording. We're going break even below this low, guys, okay? Once we take out this low, we should go break even. There's an SMT with DS now. It's okay. Go break even once it takes the aim low. Just gotta be patient here, guys. I know it's a very sticky price action. It's very sticky price action. It's very tough, but it should play out. It's an A plus setup. We waited for it all day long. It should be a clean one. There we go, guys. Stop loss is not a break even yet. We're waiting the aim low to get taken for the stop loss to be moved at break even. Stop loss is about to get break even. Not a break even yet. This price action is so sticky, man. Keep my stop loss where it's at for now. Oh, we're still waiting. We got relatively close with aim low now. There's no worries on this trade. Should be an easy win here. Just hope it's not break even. Hope it's a win because the price action is so sticky. Maybe once it takes the low, it will come back up once more. So gotta wait here. There you go. TP is at break even, guys. She should run here. Give us zone to 1. I'm out of the trade, guys. Let's go. Win secured on the stream. Let's go, guys. We secured this win here. Amazing trade. Let's go. W's in the chat, man. Yo. Let's get this, man. My executions are right here. They should be. Okay, then never mind. They're not. Whoa. Okay. Let me put my chart here. I will take a quick story with you guys. Then we'll journal it. W secured here. Just hit this TP on stream. Let's go, man. Epic trade. W secured here. Nice. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Why you only got 1 like on the stream? Thank you, W. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy that we took this win. You can let it run because the RTH gap is gonna get filled and the NWOG ultimately, as I've spoken about it. But I got all out here because of this sticky price action. You know, like it's very high resistance. So you don't really want to be pushing it, you know. I'm so happy, guys. Let's go. Take a screenshot here if you don't mind, guys. Congratulations, Master Brit fan. I'm so happy, bro, that you passed your eval. Thank you so much, guys, for being here today. Secured a very nice win together. Waited all day for it. This is my execution here. You can see my chart. There you go. Okay. Was a very nice trade. This is my lucid eval here. We're pushing it. Very, very nice. Thank you, Mr. Red fan. Thank you, brother. I know That's how you be profitable, man. That's how you actually become profitable, bro. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so that's how you actually become profitable in these markets, man. Just gotta be patient, guys. All of this was just mastering the in-betweens. All of this, like, all of this noise is untradeable. You just gotta wait for your model. You just gotta master yourself here. Master yourself, master yourself, master yourself. Prevent yourself from making any mistakes. I will show you my account here. I didn't execute anything the whole day. I just waited patiently for my small piece here. And I don't care if I risk big on this because I know my probabilities of playing out. You know, I know how much work I've put into this trade. I'm not really worried. Of course, risk management is important, but I'm pushing it here because I know my edge. You know, I know how strong my edge is. I know how long I have waited for it and how long I have studied it. So when your edge is very visible like that and you can see it very clear, that's when you actually go all in with it. Okay, I don't mean to footwork, but I'm always managing risk. But I just mean, like, you just gotta be patient, man, and trust yourself. Like, all of this is just noise. Noise, 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 noise. You just gotta be patient. Once you see a very clear setup, that's when you go for it. Yeah, CE tagged here. Or is it? It's right above it. But there we go. CE is about to get tagged. And yeah, it's going lower now. For the levels we mentioned here. This inefficiency and this RTH gap. Most likely it will also go to fill this NWOG portion that we spoke about, guys. You see this NWOG portion here? This has to be filled because this only has buy side delivery. See that? It only has buy side delivery. So that's unbalanced market. The market has to come back and fill this with sell side as well. That's when it becomes balanced, and then maybe can come back higher for these highs during the PM session or tomorrow. But man, nice trade, guys. Very happy that you guys took it. Thank you so much for being in the stream, guys. Thank you so much for pushing it together. We made it easier for each other today. Played chess together and supported each other. That's what's all about, man. Just win together and push it together. There's nothing to hide and there's nothing to be afraid of, you know. And if anybody needs any help with my model, I'll be dropping videos soon as well. Tim has a lot of videos on it as well, but I'll be dropping my own take on it and how I trade it personally because I have a different view on it. But thank you so much, guys, for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. GG's, guys. Thank you so much.